Today we'll be testing a market structure day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a market structure day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 195 different strategies, with 63 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 85 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 999 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a market structure day trading strategy. And so the source video says, trading view market structure indicator and find profitable entries and exit points. Sometimes I wish they'd run these through a grammar check so that way the title's a little bit more user friendly, but nonetheless claims that it's a market structure indicator, and that'll give us profitable entries and exit strategies apparently. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this. So what we're going to do is hide these indicators here. The first indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation pattern indicator, this one right here. You'll add it to the screen and it will look like this right here. What we'll do is jump into the settings, and the only setting that we will change is in the inputs. The take profit multiplicator is going to be the change that to 1.5. Click OK, and the next indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the smoothed Heikin-Ashi candles V1, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it'll look kind of similar to what you see just kind of appear right here. Go ahead and jump into the settings on this one again here, and under the inputs, the Lin, you'll change that to 100. The Lin 2, you'll change that to 100. Under the styles, what I did was I turned the wicks here, the opacity all the way down like so, and then click OK, and it should look like you see here on screen now. Now what I'll do is to make this a little bit easier, this is how the source video had it set up. I'm going to go ahead and take the smooth Heikin-Ashi candles. I'm going to click the 3 dots right here. I'm going to move to new pane below like this right here. Now what I can do is use this axis to scroll up a little bit, and now you can actually see the Heikin-Ashi candles like this here. It's going to come into play here in just a moment. So what we're looking for a long trade is when the 1, 2, 3 continuation, trend continuation gives us a long signal like this. So you can see here that it gives us a long entry, gives us our take profit, gives us our stop right here. And what we did in the settings is we changed this to a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. And we'll touch base on that just a tad bit more at the end of the video. So what we have is the entry here from the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation. Then we're going to look down to the Heikin-Ashi candles here, and we want those to also be green. When those line up there, then you'll enter into your trade here at the close of this candle. And in this case, it has already given us our take profit and our stop area. And so we have our take profit up here, and we have our stop down here. And so let's go ahead and play this one forward and see if we can get to our take profit. And you see that it does make a nice climb there, getting us to our take profit pretty easy. Alright, and for a short trade, what we're looking for is going to be a short entry. The short information here from the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation. You see that gives us our entry, our stop, and our take profit. Then we're going to look down to the smooth Heikin-Ashi candles, and we want those to be red. And again, it's going to give us our entry here, take profit, and our stop. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And again, you see that we get a pretty nice push right down there, getting us to our take profit. Pretty easy again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. Has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades, putting it at a 37% win rate. Now, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, with the 19 winning trades, you would have gained $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing, which means you would have lost $12,400 altogether for a total loss of $1,000, not including any spreads or commissions, anything along those lines. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. We did 41 trades during the same period of time. We had 35 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. Now, if you're looking to gain that same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $4,680 for a total gain of $16,320. So obviously considerably better results from the Academy of Forex Indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. And so this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs. And this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the signals. And so last week we had 10 trades altogether. And those 10 trades, we had 8 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at an 80% win rate. That would have been a gain of 3,240. The crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 3 winning trades, would have put us at a 100% win rate with a gain of $1,800. Altogether for the week, we would have been up $5,040. Add that to our week 13 week total now, we would have been up $23,020. So not too bad at all. Let's go ahead and take a look at the strategy again real fast. I know it's a losing strategy, and so most of you may not be interested in even hearing this, but what I thought was interesting is that when it gives you an entry like this right here, for example, so just jump back, boom, like so. So you can see that it gives us our entry, and supposedly your entry price is supposed to be right here. And so it doesn't actually account for the 1 to 1.5 risk reward. And so you actually don't even get 1 to 1.5 in most of the trades. It tends to be closer to a 1 to 1 risk reward. And so still not a good profitable trading strategy either way you look at it. So it's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.